Hi, today I'd like to show you how to download and install Google Cloud Connect. Before we do that, I'd like you to create a new folder on your desktop. You can do that by right-clicking, then choose New in the menu that opens, and then choose Folder. A new folder will appear on your desktop, and you can rename it at that time. I'm going to call mine GDocs. And then we can leave that alone for right now. Come back to that. The next thing we're going to do is have you go to the Trinity's Toolkit site, and you're going to actually find the link that allows you to download the Google Cloud Connect. The page will look like this, and there's also a video clip that you can watch to get some additional information, but you're mainly concerned about clicking on the blue bar. Click Accept and Install. When that's finished, you'll see a window that it was successfully installed. Okay, you'll see a message now that says thanks for installing Google Cloud Connect. At that point you can close. I'm going to open up Microsoft Word to show you the new toolbar that was just added to both Word, Excel, and actually PowerPoint as well. We're going to open up Word, and I will show you where the new toolbar appears, and then the settings, a few settings that we need to change to make it work. Okay, I have Word open at this time. You'll see a new toolbar that says Google Cloud Connect. This is the one that we're concerned with and that we just installed. Before we can begin though, we do have to log in. So I'm going to click the login button to connect and synchronize Word with my Gmail account and with my Google Docs account. The screen that you will see, it's going to ask for your email and password. On this type of screen, this Google screen, all you need to do at this point is just put in your Trinity email address and then choose sign in. This page does not require a password. So when you click sign in, then it will direct you over to the normal login page that you're familiar with and used to seeing. At that point, you do just need to put in your username and password that you use at school and choose login. Okay, the next screen we're just going to choose grant access, and now you can see that I am connected because it has my account. The other couple of other changes that we're going to make is by default when you open this, when you see yours, it's going to have an automatic sync setting. You're going to need to change that to manual, so that you can manually save documents that you want to save. We don't want it to be on automatic. The next place you want to go is look in the Change button. We're going to actually find our GDocs folder on our desktop that we created, and then we're going to choose OK. And you can see now my path, when I save a Word document, it's actually going to save it into that new GDocs folder. And it's also going to save it into our Google Documents. So you're actually making two copies, one on the computer itself and one in your Google Docs. Okay, so all of these settings look okay. I'm just going to choose OK to that. Okay, I'm connected, I'm logged in, it's set to manual. At this point I'm ready to create a test. So I'll say this is a test. Okay, if I choose sync next, I'm going to get the normal save window that you're used to seeing. I'm going to name my file. I'm actually going to call this test2. And so the file name is going to be test2, and then I'm also going to choose my GDocs folder that I created. So if I scroll up, I'll find the desktop icon, and then over here I'm going to go down to where my new GDocs folder is, and I'm going to save my folder, my new file there. Click Save. Okay, two things are happening. One is it just saved into my GDocs folder on my desktop, and it also saved into my Google Docs. It says it's synchronized. I see a green check mark. If I minimize this, and if you were to open up your Google Docs, which I have mine open already, you'll see the new file appear in your home screen of your Google Docs. This one's called Test2. You can see it was created by Word because it has a blue W. The next thing you want to do, I would recommend doing, is to keep these files organized so you can keep track of where they're located. It's very easy to do. Just put a check mark in your in the name of the file. You'll see a folder up here for organize. If you click that, you'll see all of your collections or folders that you've previously created in Google Docs, and at this point you can choose where you want that to go. I'm just going to put mine in Documents by clicking over that little box, and it puts a blue check mark there. Then I'm going to choose Apply Changes. Okay, and there's a message that says that it has been moved from My Collections to Documents, and I also see it in this gray word here, Documents. That tells me that that is where that new file exists. And those are the steps that you need for saving Word documents, Excel, and PowerPoint into Google Docs. Thank you.